Dog Coaching and Pet Care, and I'm here with Queenie. I just wanted to show you a great example of how a dog can be afraid of an object or something and overcome that fear in a relatively short period of time. One of the things we use these little ottomans for, this is actually the top of a little cat tree, but I use it for the place command and just in terms of building confidence in dogs that are nervous of things, having them do new things, get up on new things that they're typically scared of at first, how it can help them build confidence. And just for you to see that transition, I started to work with Queenie on this, and like a lot of dogs, she just was like, oh my God, what is that thing? No, I don't want to get on it. And so I stopped because I wanted to film it so you could see the difference. You've probably seen videos of Latte hopping right up on this thing. She was afraid of it at first too. So again, it's just an object that is they're not familiar with, and so oftentimes they're afraid of it. But I just want to show you that transition so that you can see it's okay to challenge your dog. It's even okay for them to be afraid, but you need to know how to work them through it, and that's what builds their confidence, okay? So if she didn't know the place command, I would have taught her that first, but she already knows the place command, so that's the command I'm going to use. Place means get on that thing and stay on it until I release you. So anyway, she can do it on a cot. This is just new and different for her, okay? So here we go. Let's go. Place. Okay, so you're gonna see a lot of going around it because she's afraid and doesn't want to get up on it. Little protest, I'm gonna hunker down so you can't make me do it, okay? I'm just gonna work her through it. Leash pressure. Good. There. As soon as a foot hits, I click and reward. Good. Break. And then we're going to do it again. And you'll see it gets easier and easier for her. Place. Good. Awesome. Break. Place. Okay. No leash pressure needed already for that. Now, of course, I want her to get all of her feet up there, not just the two front, so we'll get to that. Break. Place. Break. Good. Place. There we go. Good job. So for that, I'm going to give her a bunch, one right after another, because I want her to know that's what I wanted, your whole body on that thing. Good girl. Break. Place. Okay, so I want you to know that prior to me filming, there was a whole lot of trying to avoid getting on that thing, okay? There was some crying, there was some hunkering down on the floor and all of that, and I was like, hey, I need to be filming this. So we had probably a minute and a half of her trying to avoid the object, okay? Break. Place. So once they realize they can do it, they do it. And yes, sometimes you have to force them to do it for them to realize they can do it. It's okay. Break. Place. Now with enthusiasm, right? Good job. All of a sudden it's fun. It was scary a few minutes ago. Classic. Now, it is a place command, so that means stay there even if I move around. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. And if she hops off, I'll mark that and make her get back on. Good place. Good. Dark all of a sudden. Good job. Oh, let's just get up on there because when I do, you click and I get food. I love it. I'll reward for that. Okay, break. Sit. Good. Okay. Nope, sit. So, this one she hasn't seen yet. Let's see what happens. Oh, she's got some confidence. Whoa, this one is a little not so heavy. That's okay. Here. Wait. Okay. Brace. I'm going to brace it with my feet a little. Help her up. There we go. Shh. Hey! No. Good girl. Break. Good. Place. Good. Break. Good girl. Place. Whoop. Overshot it. There you go. Good job. Good job. Okay? So, I will say this. Some dogs, even though they did fine on that, when you bring out something different, they start the process all over again where they're afraid of it, okay? She wasn't. She was like, okay, I can get up on that. Well, I can get up on this too. So that's great. That confidence translated from one object to another, which is fantastic. Break. And, oh, by the way, place. Before, when I was trying to get her to get up on the other one, and you know, it was lower, obviously, than that ottoman, she was crying and going around it, going in circles, trying not to get up on it, but leaped up on that, on the ottoman, which is taller than that little thing, okay? So, no rhyme or reason. Break. Good girl. Queenie, come. Queenie, come. Place. Good. Queenie, come. Place. Good. Queenie, come. Place. Good girl. Queenie, come. Place. Queenie, come. Place. Girl. Queenie, come. Place. Good girl. Oh. Oh. Place. Good. Queenie, come. Place. Come. Place. Good girl. Whoop. What happened? Queenie, come. Place. There you go. Good girl. Queenie, come. Place. Good girl. The lesson here is challenge your dog, especially if you have a nervous or anxious or fearful dog. Challenge them to do new things. Help them. Sometimes force them, right? It's okay. It's quicker, and all of a sudden they realize, hey, I can do that. And just like with Queenie, that confidence translated from one object to another, which is fantastic, all right? It's okay to challenge your dog. It's okay to make them do things. It's okay, right? It helps them to build their confidence. So, food helps, obviously. The repetition helps too. So, just wanted to share that with you, working with Queenie. She's only been here a few days, and there's more to come. All right, take care. Terry Hansen, Good Dog Coaching, Pet Care. If you have questions, post them in the comment section or email me at info@gooddogcoaching.com. Take care.